warmly welcome Reverend Marquea Puwasan from Room 8, Kinder Section Savio under Teacher Manilin's class. A round of applause, please.
A pleasant good afternoon to one and all. I am Reverend Marquea P. Puwasan from Kinder Vicuña. It gives me a great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of Lourdes Kindergarten School. Today we are here for the Career Day celebration. Today, to our beloved rector and principal of Lourdes Kindergarten School, Reverend Father Lakmirto Jun Paragja, Junior, STD Fathers, to our beloved teachers, parents, and to my beloved classmates, your presence truly makes this event special. Let's dive in and make today unforgettable. Once again, welcome and thank you. Live and love Jesus and Mary with joy.
Thank you very much, Reverend.